Good evening. I am Dr. Sandeep Nanavati. I am professor in Veterinary College, Mahu, in Department of Livestock Production and Management. Today we are going to discuss summer subfertility in buffaloes. Friends, you all know that we are number one. India is number one in buffalo population. We are having maximum number of buffaloes in India. Here in India, Indian farmers, they normally face a huge problem of summer sterility in buffaloes. During summer season, the buffaloes do not exhibit stress, they remain silent, they do not show the symptoms of heat, and from the month of February end or from the first week of March up to the 15th June, the buffalo do not exhibit stress. Due to low fertility in buffaloes during summer month is called summer subfertility. The summer extreme climate stress coupled with increased day length reduces the incidences of buffaloes coming to regular estrus, and this problem occurs particularly during the months of summer. Some scientists use that buffaloes animal do not show estrus or it becomes sterile during summer season due to heat stress, due to its black body coat, and due to less number of sweat glands. And so all these three things they attribute towards the interfering in thermoregulatory mechanism of the buffalo. But fact is that buffalo is a polystrous animal. They can breed throughout the year. So summer sterility is a misnomer. It is a misconception. It is actually summer subfertility or summer substerility. Better fertility can be obtained by better management in summer also. In Indian subcontinent, most buffaloes indicate seasonal estrus and conception. As much as 62.8% of the buffaloes show periodicity in October to February. In this period, higher conception rate is recorded, whereas in months from March to September, where the day length is longer and higher intensity of sun is there, the ovarian activity it is adversely affected. So 80% of the buffaloes calving are recorded only in the month of July to December and minimum in summer months. Now what is the causes of this summer subfertility? The first and foremost cause is excessive heat stress during summer months, which adversely affect the buffalo's reproductive mechanism. Secondly, buffalo have black body coat, black color of the skin, which absorbs more heat. Third, buffaloes do have lower number of sweat glands, which interferes the thermoregulatory mechanism. Higher environmental temperature upset the normal physiological function, affecting the spermatogenesis in male and ovarian activity in female. Moreover, in summer season, the buffaloes there is a disturbed hormonal mechanism. You know, the activity of testosterone in male and the activity of progesterone, estrogen in female, it hampers the reproductive activity of the buffaloes, which leads to summer subfertility. Buffalo bulls, they are least active during hot season, and it affects the quality of semen and quantity and quality of the semen also, which adversely affect the spermatogenesis. Excessive environmental temperature also affects the corpus luteum. As it does not regress, it continuously secretes progesterone and will inhibit the further release of LH. Thus the buffalo will go into the state of anestrus or substress condition. Moreover, in summer season, thyroid activity is also very low, which also affect the reproductive problems. So what is the solution? How to get rid of summer subfertility? First solution is protect the animals, protect the buffaloes from direct solar radiation. The buffalo should not be allowed to go out. They should be kept in enclosure or under the tree, and they should be kept inside from 11 to 5 p.m. during summer season. We should provide maximum ballooning facility and sprinkling of water to the buffaloes, and buffaloes should be given spraying, sprinkling or showering, and like water treatment. The fodder which you are going to offer, it should be sprinkled with water, and the buffalo should be protected from direct solar radiation. Vasectomized bull can be used and bull parade can be used. This vasectomized bull is known as teaser. So teaser can detect the buffalo into stress but cannot mount, cannot reproduce. So you can detect the buffalo into stress with the help of teaser bull. So teaser bull parade can also be practiced. In summer, buffalo bull normally lose libido. So replacement of old buffalo bull with the younger one can also be practiced. Balanced ration is balanced concentrate with greens and minerals and vitamin supply. It is very important to avoid summers of fertility. Moreover, some farmers, they also practice night grazing. So buffalo should not be allowed to go for grazing during summer months in daytime, and they should be let loose after evening, say after 5 or 6 p.m. they should be allowed for the grazing. Venting of levodopa on cervix cause local irritation and reflex stimulation of anterior pituitary. It releases the gonadotropin and the cyclicity starts. Use of low level of progesterone or prostaglandin can also be practiced with the as the advice of veterinarian gynecologist, and these hormones are always questionable, but this can be practiced under strict veterinary supervision. So friends, with the proper managemental facility, we can make the buffalo into estrus, or we can bring the estrus throughout the year with the proper managemental facility, proper housing, proper feeding and proper treatment. Thank you.